Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be doing the speed test comparison between the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus 80 device. I know friends, if you are thinking that it's not fair comparison, but I just still want to compare the Poco X3, which is a Snapdragon 732G processor versus Snapdragon 865 processor, because most of my recently subscribers are from the Poco X3 device, and at least you should know how much the Poco X3 is capable of performing when it compares to the top high-end mobile phone which has a Snapdragon 865 processor. So let's see friends, how much difference will it be there between both of the this phone's mid-range segment versus the premium end smartphone. So in this test I'll be using the 5 gaming applications only. So these are the 5 gaming applications which I'll try to compare a speed test. I'll try to open at same time in both the phones. So let's see which phone will be able to load faster, and I'll try to access the same applications again from the multi window. So let's see friends, which applications will be staying in the memory and everything. So 4 games I did include the heavy gaming, and one is a normal gaming which supports the 120 Hz refresh rate as well. So let me get start with this kind of test here. And in case if you want to know what live wallpapers I am using in my videos, and don't forget to check the links in description first. You can find all the links in description playlist for each and every smartphone. And recently when I did finish 200 videos on the Poco X3 device and still continuing, so definitely subscribe to my channel friends, and let's get started with this kind of comparison. And first is that I have connected to the Wi-Fi connection, to the same Wi-Fi connection in both the phones. Let me try to clear all the background applications, and everything is cleared. As you can see, no recent applications in both the phones. And now let me try to open the game space. So and here is the applications, and all these 5 applications are in the game turbo which are already added. And in the OnePlus device there is a game space, and all the game icon there is an option of viewing only in the game space. So that's why I did open the directly game space here. So let me try to open the first application, which is a PUBG Mobile. So let's see which phone will actually open the PUBG game faster. Let me try to click at same time. I did click at same time in both the phones. So let's see which phone will actually opens much faster. As I said, I have connected to the both games to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, the Poco X3 started to load faster. So let's see which phone will turn on the home screen faster here. As you can see friends, the Poco X3 did open faster the game. So let's see OnePlus 80, it took some kind of time. As I said, I did connect to the same Wi-Fi network in both the smartphones, so then there is nothing got changed over there. So let me try to close it again, in case if you are thinking that why it happened. So let me try to start again the test. So let me try to clear this PUBG game. I cleared. Let me try to open this time again, same time. Let's see whether this will happen second time or not, because most of the users, they will definitely confuse. As I said, game turbo is added and game space is also added in both the phones, because during the first time of opening this application I did got some notification. That's why I think it took some kind of time to open. So let's see the second time which phone will actually open faster. As you can see, the Poco X3 which opened the game faster a little bit. That's very good. Surprisingly, the Poco X3 opened faster. And now let me try to shift to the other game. So without any closing the game, I'm just trying to go to the home page only. I'm not trying to close the game. So let me try to open the Call of Duty next. As you can see, the game turbo and game mode in both the phones are activated. So let's see now which phone will open the Call of Duty faster. And OnePlus 80 did ask for the permissions. So OnePlus 80 showed this window first, and let me try to wait for the same kind of window in the Poco X3, and let me click at same time. And here is the Poco X3 smartphone as well. So later it did get turned on. So let me try to click at same time the confirm button. I clicked at same time. Let me try to open my Call of Duty account. I think it's already connected here. As you can see friends, both phones are right now signing in to my account. As you can see, the OnePlus 8 is slightly little bit faster, not that much faster, little bit faster. as you can clearly see a little bit. And let me try to do it again, the test, this Call of Duty. So it is a Call of Duty game, and let me try to open both games at same time again. So let's see second time how will it perform. So I'm trying to do some games two times test for the safety reason that if I may press little bit kind of delay. So that's why I'm trying to make sure that it's correct. So the OnePlus 80 showed the confirm first. So now let me try to click at same time. So I did click at same time this time. So let's see which phone will open the game faster. You can see the loading speeds, and let's see which phone will open the window faster. I think minute faster the Poco X3, but still the mid-range segment mobile phone is quite very much close to the OnePlus 80 device, friends. That's a very good thing. So even second time it was very close for the both phones. So now let me try to open the other game, which is a Free Fire game. As you can see, it is a Free Fire game, and let me try to open the game at same time. So let's see which phone will actually open faster. So there's a little bit kind of delay before, so let me try to open it same time right now. And right now I did try to open the game at same time. As you can see, the OnePlus 80 did show up this kind of home page first, then the before the Poco X3 device. So let's see which the Poco X3 did show this menu faster than the OnePlus 80. So let me try to click at same time. So both phones I did click at same time. The OnePlus 80 is slightly faster, so little bit, so not that much. So overall, friends, during this gaming I did observe one thing is that the Poco X3 is trying to open the game very faster to the OnePlus 80 device. So that's a very good thing. So this is what I am talking about, friends. So this is the reason why I did this kind of comparison video. Even though the Poco X3 is kind of mid-range segment mobile phone, sometimes it did perform close to high-end mobile phone segment, so you won't even feel that kind of difference. So now let me try to open the Asphalt 9 game here. As you can see, Asphalt 9. So let me try to open at same time in both phones. So let's see Asphalt 9, which game will open faster in which phone. So OnePlus 80 did show this menu faster than the Poco X3 device. So let's see which phone will open faster. Even I am very curious. As you can see, the OnePlus 80 did open the game faster than the Poco X3 device. So there's a little bit amount of delay that is close to, I think, 2 to 3 seconds of delay, but that's not a big delay, I would say. So let me try to close this application, and let me try to go back to the other app, final application, which is the Gateway 2, which supports actually 120 Hz refresh rate as well. So let me try to open the game at same time in both the phones. So this is a kind of a very small game, so we should not take much time in either of the phones. So let's see which phone will open faster. The OnePlus 80 did open the game faster than the Poco X3 device. So it's a little bit faster, not that much faster. So now let me try to close this game, and let me try to open the games from one by one from the beginning. So let me go to the multitasking tray, as you can see. So these are the gaming applications which I did open. PUBG. So let me start with the PUBG game. So let's see whether the PUBG will be staying in the memory or not. As you can see, the PUBG did stay in the memory in the OnePlus 80 device. As you can see, friends, either the game is trying to restart in the Poco X3 smartphone. You can see that clearly. So now let me try to open the other game, which is second game. So second game, I think the Call of Duty game. Let me try to go back to the menu here. Here is a Call of Duty. So let me try to open the Call of Duty at same time. So let's see whether they'll be staying in the memory or not. The OnePlus 80 did stay in the memory, the game, as you can clearly see. So in the Call of Duty as well, the OnePlus 80 did have the clear winner. So let me try to open the Free Fire game. So here's a Free Fire game. So again, it's trying to open the game. And one thing I did observe is that after a long time using this Poco X3 device, the RAM availability will decrease, friends. That is what happened, I think. So that's why none of the games are opening from the multitasking tray. So let me try to close. Let me try to open the other game. So which is Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 did stay in the memory, as you can clearly see in both the phones, even in the Poco X3 device. That's a good thing. So all for Asphalt 9 is there. Let me go back to the other game, final game, so which is a Gateway 2. So let me try to open here. As you can see, even the Gateway 2 is also in the memory. So overall, two games are in the memory in the Poco X2 device. And in terms of the opening speeds, I think out of five, four games are slightly close to each other. There's only a few games like Asphalt 9 and this game or little bit delay. That is not that big delay, friends. There's only minute delay, close to 2 to 3 seconds. You won't even notice that much kind of delay. So there's a quick speed test comparison between the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus 80 device. So for more similar kind of videos, make sure to follow me regularly and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of other smartphones, and always do subscribe and support me, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.